What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following along, you know that we've been forming this new garage here. So today is concrete day for the foundation walls. So unfortunately the concrete company is screwing us a little bit, and we were supposed to have 2 trucks, but they only sent us 1, and this guy has to go back and refill and then come back with the rest of our concrete. So we are gonna have to figure out where to stop, because it is going to be an hour or so between the 2 loads, and if you know anything about concrete, that's not the most ideal situation. So we're going to deal with it, but it really sucks. But either way, this guy's just mixing the concrete, putting his chutes on, and then we're going to start pouring. But we're going to do the back wall here first and then work our way up the 2 sides, and hopefully we get to the front corners, and then we can just pour the front when he comes back with the second load. Hey, I have to shovel this. There's not a lot of pitch.
No, he put down and lift it up. Put like that and lift it up.
Wet.
Yeah, wet. That way and that way.
You want it dry or wet?
Come, penelash.
You got this mix pretty wet, right? Yeah.
Sí, tú te lo mueves.
Not the most ideal situation. We'll get it done.
Let's go.
All right, so we just finished the first truck. We made it about 3/4 of the way through the pour. He is running back to fill up with concrete, and then he is going to come back here. So hopefully it doesn't take too long and this concrete doesn't start to set up on us. But we'll have to vibrate the 2 ends where it ended. Rodrigo, just move that. Put it somewhere else. So I got a camera over there. He's moving it because I'm in the way of him. But he's just troweling the top of it, making it nice and smooth. But I'm looking at the plans here. Let's see. Anchor bolts. Where's the anchor bolts? Right here. 4 foot on center, 1 foot from the corners on a 6-inch wall. So we're gonna come 3 inches in, 1 foot from the corners, and every 4 feet. So these are your anchor bolts here. They go in your concrete, and then this comes up through your plate and you bolt it to it. So these go every 4 feet, starting, it said 1 foot from the corner, right? 1 foot from corners, every 4 feet. Well, that's what we're gonna do now until he gets back here, and then we'll just hang out and wait. All right guys, so everything is all poured. We have our anchor bolts in, we have our steps where the garage doors are, and the man door is over there. So we are looking good. Tomorrow we will be back here to strip these forms, and then we can backfill the inside. The outside has to get tar rolled on it, basically waterproofing for all the moisture in the ground outside. But overall it looks pretty good. So hopefully tomorrow we can get everything stripped back on the trailer and the inside backfilled. I think Rodrigo's going to pick up some tar in the morning, so we might be able to roll the outside, but that's going to have to dry a little bit before we can backfill. But either way, we're in good shape. So tomorrow we will be back here. I'm not sure if I'll make a video or not because it's just stripping the forms, but either way you will see the finished product in the next video of this job. So if you guys have any questions about anything you saw, really, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.